ABCD is a rhombus. Angle DAB is 3x plus 20. Determine the value of x giving reasons. Okay, so in a rhombus we have parallel lines like this. So we can do this alternating angles. So we can say this x here is equal to the angle in there. Okay, so let's just draw that in quick. So we can say then this angle in here is equal to x as well. Let's do this properly and write down the reasons. So working and reasons. Just try to get some information to see how we can work out x. So what we said is angle B1 is equal to angle D2 is equal to x because of alternating angles. Because AB, that line is parallel to CD. We can then also say, because it's a rhombus, all the sides are equal. So in this specific triangle here, in ADB, we actually have a bit of an isosceles triangle there. So those sides are equal. And in an isosceles triangle, the opposite angles are equal. So if that one is x, then this one is also x. So what we can then say is B1 is equal to D1, which is equal to x, because AB is equal to AD. And so opposite angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. So now we can have a look at just this triangle. So if we look at just in this triangle here, we can work out x quite easily. So we can say in triangle ABD, we've got 3x plus 20 plus x plus x. That adds up to 180 degrees because the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. If we simplify 3x plus x, so that is 5x, is equal to 180 minus the 20. So 5x is equal to 160. And so x is 160 divided by 5. So x is 32 degrees. Okay, 4.3. Calculate the value of x, giving reasons. Okay, this one is not too difficult. We can see we have got these parallel lines here. So this line, these lines are parallel. The value of x, so we can use co-interior angles here. So we can say, here's our working, here's our reasons. X plus 23 is equal, no, it's not equal. So x plus 23, there's this angle plus this angle. 5x plus 7 is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is co-interior angles. add up to 180 degrees. And then you always need to tell which lines are parallel. So we're using AD is parallel to BC. So let's get all of our x's on one side. So this is going to be 6x is equal to 180 minus 23 minus 7. So 6x is going to be equal to 180, take away 30, so 150. So x is 150 divided by 6. Which is 25 degrees.